Welcome to my maths. Now we are going to learn the fraction subtraction type 4 where the HCF of the denominators by finding the multiple HCFs. Let us see how to do that. Let us take an example of 2 by 15 minus 2 by 21. Here we observe the denominators are 15 and 21. By subtracting the denominators we'll get 6, but 6 doesn't divide 15. So we'll take again the HCF of 6 and 15, and we observe that 6 times 2 is 12, 15 minus 12 is 3, and 3 is our HCF. So this much process we are just by calculating in the mind, we are calculating the HCF as 3. Now once we get the HCF, we divide the denominators by HCF. So 15 by 3 is 5 and 21 by 3 is 7. And then we cross multiply. So 7 times 2 is 14 and 5 times 2 is 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. That's how we'll get the numerator of the given fraction of subtraction of fractions. Now let us see with the two more examples. The first example where 7 by 10 minus 3 by 14. Here 10 and 14 are the numbers. So 10 times 14 minus 10 is 4, and 4 doesn't divide 10. So here so 4 cannot be our HCF. So we'll take 4 and 10 and then we'll go for again HCF. 4 times 2 is 8 and 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2 will be our final HCF. So once we decide that 2 is our HCF, then 10 by 2 is 5, that is our quotient, and 14 by 2 is 7, that is another quotient. Now we cross multiply and subtract. So 7 times 7 is 49 and 5 times 3 is 15. 49 minus 15, the answer is 34. Let us go through one more example. 11 by 24 minus 3 by 10. Here the HCF of 24 and 10, that is 2. Again we observe that 24 and 10 2 is 20 and 24 minus 20 is 4, and 4 doesn't divide 10. So we again take the HCF of 4 and 10 and we arrive at 2 as our final HCF. So once we get the 2 as our HCF, we divide 24 by 2, so the number is 12, and we divide 10 by 2, that is 5. Now we cross multiply and subtract. So 5 times 11 is 55 minus 3 times 12 is 36. 12 3s is 36. 55 minus 36, the answer is 19. This is how we can find the numerator of the given subtraction of fraction. And the denominator is so simple, it is just a LCM of 24 and 10. This we had learned in the case of LCM, and 24 and 10, the LCM is 120. 19 by 120 is the final answer, but the numerator is 19. Thank you.